Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to make Japanese omurice. The recipe for the sauce is actually featured by a Korean chef named Baek Jong-won. For the sauce that goes on top of the omurice, you'll need 1.5 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, just cooking vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of dashida, and then 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1.5 cups of water. For the fried rice, if you have a favorite recipe that you like to use, you can go ahead and use that. But for today, for me, I'm gonna be using some white rice, onions, broccolis, carrots, paprika, enoki mushrooms, garlic, and seasoning it with some sesame oil and salt and pepper. And you'll also need 3 eggs per serving that goes on top of the rice. So in a small pot, I'm going to be adding in my oil, my flour. I'm just going to switch over to my wooden spoon and give that a stir. And once that's done, you're going to turn on the heat to medium and constantly stir this around until it browns. Once it has been boiling for a bit, I turned up the heat to medium-high. And okay, once it's turning brown like this, you go ahead and add your water and give it a stir so there's no clumps. So now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, my sugar, brown sugar, ketchup, add in my rice vinegar, and dashida. Then you can turn off the heat and the sauce part is done. So all my vegetables are peeled and washed, and now I'm going to cut them or dice them. All my veggies are chopped. In a pot, I'm going to add in my cooking oil. Maybe about a tablespoon. And bring that up to medium high. So I'm gonna add in some garlic. Onions and carrots. Stir that around. And once the onions are starting to clear up a little bit, I'm going to throw in my broccoli. And then my mushroom and paprika. Alright. So I added in some salt and pepper, and I'm just breaking up the rice because it was hardened in the fridge. Alright, so my fried rice is completely done. And when it's almost done, that's when you can put in your sesame oil. I'll put about another tablespoon of sesame oil. Now the rice part is done. Okay, after the rice is done, I cracked in 3 eggs with half a teaspoon of salt, and I mixed it so that when you go pick it up, you won't see that big chunks of whites. Alright. And before we start cooking the eggs, I went ahead and placed my fried rice into my serving plate and shape it nicely with my spatula. And so you'll need a non-stick frying pan. And I'm going to be adding in maybe a teaspoon, about a teaspoon, a little bit more of oil. I'm going to bring that up to medium high. And for this technique, you'll need chopsticks, fork. You can try using fork, but I don't think fork will work. So, add in our egg. I'm going to bring that up high, and you're going to grab one end of the cooked egg and the other, and you're going to stir it out. Another side. Stir it around. It's a technique that I have not mastered. Put it on your rice. And we're going to take our sauce, bring it up to heat again. And once it's heated up, to just pour in my sauce. And just as a decoration, I'm gonna put on some dried up parsley. and you're done. So here it is, our Japanese rice. This is what it looks like inside. The egg is very tender and it's just seasoned right. You can see all the layers. And there you go. I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.